Hi guys, I am Katie Echevarria Rosen Kitchens, and I am the co-founder and editor-in-chief of FabFitFun. If you guys aren't familiar with us, we are a lifestyle membership, best known for our wonderful boxes that are filled with over $200 in full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, home, and tech products that we send you every season. One of the things that you also might not know is how each of these products actually makes it into that season's box. And I am here to give you all of spring's secrets. One of the things that we've introduced over the past couple of years is more choice and customization. So, based on your own personality and tastes and age, we're finding products that are really tailored to you. And so one of my favorite choices in this season's box is a trio of really big hero products that I'm all kind of obsessed with. So this is the Deluxe backpack. And the reason why we thought it was a must-have for spring is that we've seen a huge rise in the backpack trend over the past 12 months. There's so much utility to a backpack, especially being a mom. Being able to be hands-free all of the time is essential. You guys get it. I don't have to explain it to you. And definitely a must-have. The next choice is this fantastic electric diffuser. And what I love about this device is that it actually mimics the meditation experience that you would have in studio. So when you go into Unplug, you get a visual of all these really beautiful, different changing colors, and that will actually happen with this electric diffuser as well. And the last choice, over here, is this Show Me Your Mumu robe. This is another item that's been a constant request from our members. What we love about this is it's a great brand, another LA brand, super cute, super bohemian, 2 female founders. And the robe is incredibly soft. We picked this really beautiful spring rosy print, and it is so soft, you guys have to actually touch it. Now I have to make my choice. The question is, what am I going to put in my box? For the time being, I'm gonna go with the diffuser. Into the box it goes. All right, second hero choice. This is one of my favorites. This is actually a picnic set. It's by Sunnylife. It comes with 2 little plates, full set of accessories. It's great for just throwing in your tote or your backpack. You grab a baguette, some cheese, some rosé, your significant other. You want to get out there. We want to create, really exciting new experiences with the things that you get in your box. And the picnic set, to me, is a no-brainer. The second choice is actually a pair of sunglasses from the same brand called QUAY. And we chose 2 of their most popular styles. So we chose these classic aviators and then these oversized cat eyes, and I am obsessed with them. And then we actually have a fourth product option in the box. This is gonna be the KORRES sleep mask. KORRES is a brand that you guys may have already learned about through FabFitFun. We are all so incredibly busy. And the best part about this is that right before you go to bed, after you wash your face, you slather it on, go to sleep, and for the next, well, for me, maybe 5 hours, hopefully for the rest of the world, 8 hours, you're getting all of the benefit just seeping into your pores. Okay, it is choice time again. Given the fact that these are already on my head, I am going to go with the QUAY cat eyes that I already am obsessed with. Okay, on to the next choice. I don't know if you are familiar with Giadzy. She's a really cute line called Giadzy, and we are doing these copper measuring spoons together. And I think if you guys choose these, or even if you don't, you have to check out FabFitFun TV because you'll see quite a few recipes from Giadzy, who's the best. Next up, we have the Lavido body cream. It's in this really beautiful Mandarin scent. It has sort of a citrusy, sweet note to it, and it's really luscious. So if you have dry skin, it's just the perfect opportunity to sort of recharge and refresh all of those dead skin cells, if you will. And then one of the other things that we introduced sort of opportunistically last year was the mystery choice. When we first launched FabFitFun, there was no spoilers. You literally had no idea what you were going to get, and it's kind of a throwback. But for this time, when I'm making my box, I gotta go Giadzy. All right, guys, so the choices that you just saw are choices that are available to all members. The next round of choices that we are gonna go through are select choices. So those are the extra choices that you get to make when you are a select member. The first one is this cute necklace from Two Bandits. It's another female-founded brand. It's really pretty and delicate and just goes with everything. You know, one of the things that we know about our members is that you guys actually like to see silver in the box. And we like to curate specifically for you guys. Obviously, when spring comes around, you get to see more of the neckline, which is often why we put necklaces into that season. Second, we have Sip by Swell bottles. One of the reasons that we went with Sip by Swell is that they're just a little bit more fun. So they come in a variety of really expressive, fun, different colors and patterns. And you guys will see a whole sort of host of different ones inside this season's box. And then the last choice in this box is this really beautiful translucent powder from Ciate. It hides, any little imperfections. It keeps your skin from getting, overly oily throughout the day, which happens as the weather starts to warm up. And it's just a really nice product. The choice that I'm going to make today, gotta be the member favorite, going with a Swell bottle. All right, guys, we are on to our final select choice. This is Tula. We see in beauty as often the trends really do follow what's happening in the food space, and probiotics has really been something that's taking over. And it does an amazing job just cleansing your skin. It leaves it really soft and fresh and luscious. And it's a huge bottle, so you're gonna get so many uses out of it. Next up is the Daily Concepts Dry Brush. Some of you guys may be familiar with dry brushing, some of you may not. It's actually an ancient practice. And the idea is that you don't use it while you're in the shower, you actually do it before you get into the shower. And you basically just brush all of the dead skin cells off of your body. And you can see it happening, which is really kind of creepy, but also kind of cool. So if you guys have seen the magazine cover already, you know that we partnered with the amazing Venus Williams. We are featuring an incredible jump rope. It's a really intense workout. I think a lot of us think about it when you're thinking about elementary school and you're jumping around, but it's actually like a hardcore workout as we're all trying to get bikini body ready. Some of us maybe. We gotta get our jump rope action on. Okay, this is another really hard choice, but I think, I'm going with the jump rope. I like the strong ladies in my FabFitFun box. All right, now we are on to the products that are in every single box. So these are the surefire hits that you are going to get. So first up, we worked with a brand called Mana Kadar on this really beautiful champagne charcoal scrub. It smells like champagne, which who doesn't like that? And it's a huge tub that you can take it into your bath, you can take it into the shower, you rub it all over your body. Your skin is gonna look and smell amazing. It's gonna last you for like the next 5 years. And we are hooking you up, which is pretty awesome. Next up, we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Under Eye Cream. And this stuff is like actual miracle in this tiny little bottle. And most of the time when you are using different, skincare products, they have all of these really wonderful properties that, do actually help your skin, but they take, a few weeks to start to work. Not with this. You will actually see the results immediately as you put it on. You will see your bags vanish. And your last product is this really wonderful leave-in conditioner by QUAY. This is another really buzzy brand. It was developed by a celebrity hairstylist. The product is phenomenal. It smells great. It leaves your hair feeling great. A lot of the times when spring starts to come around, you start to go to the beach, you start to go to the pool, and all of a sudden your hair is a hot mess. This is a really wonderful treatment that leaves it looking silky and smooth before you start all of your heat styling. It's also a really nice protectant, and I think you're gonna love it. But okay, so this is my box. I'm really happy about it personally, but I think you're gonna be happy about all of the options that you get within spring. So we hope you love your own curating, and we will see you soon. Have a great day. Bye.